This video will assist you as you begin planning for the assessment cycle. The cycle generally opens in mid-September with the first deadline on or around December 1st. When the cycle opens, the content of some items from existing plans are rolled forward to the next cycle. Those items are goals, objectives, KPIs, and targets. Goals should broadly state the intentions or aspirations of the unit. There's no minimum number of goals, just make sure the number of goals is appropriate for the size of the unit. Performance objectives are specific, detailed statements of the expected attainment of non-learning tasks, like satisfaction with service or participation levels. These are required for all units except academic programs. Performance objectives should clearly align with goals, isolate one service or behavior, describe the desired quality or improvement of services, and be measurable or observable. There is no required number of objectives, but ideally each goal should be supported by more than one. KPIs are the methods, instruments, processes, or techniques that are used to measure and evaluate a performance objective. They should clearly align with objectives, clearly show how they can provide data for improving performance, and include descriptions of the source of data, when or how often data will be collected, and who will be responsible for data collection and analysis. Targets are the benchmarks, values, or results that will represent success at achieving a performance objective. These should align with KPIs and objectives, be measurable or quantifiable, represent a feasible amount of success, and contain contextual information to explain how or why the targets were selected. If your plan rolled over from the previous cycle, you can modify the plan by editing, adding, relating, and deleting items. If you have a brand new plan, you'll need to add all of the items. To add an item, click on the plus plan item button, then select the item to add. Give the item a title, then type the description. Each item needs to be related to the next. If you're starting from scratch, you can create all the items and then relate them, or you can relate as you go. Just keep in mind that the two items must be created before they can be related. As an example, we've just created a goal and a performance objective. We're still on the objective, so we will click on the Related tab, Supports, then navigate to the appropriate goal. Any existing item can be edited simply by opening the item and making the necessary changes. To delete an item, scroll to the bottom of the page and then click Delete. Thank you for taking the time to ensure you have a quality assessment plan. If you have questions or need assistance with the anthology planning or with the assessment plan itself, check out our resources page or email our team at assessment@shsu.edu. We're happy to help.